Hi friends, my name is Marina Shepelsky. I'm an American immigration attorney and the founder of Shepelsky Law Group. We are a firm, a law office in New York handling immigration problems for people from all over the United States. So we can help you anywhere you live. It's federal law. We can work with you virtually. You don't have to worry about that. Now, today's video is what happens when your visa expired while you were in the United States, but you have a stamp from the officer in the airport that gave you a date of admission that's later than the date your visa expired. Do they have a right to extend your visa status? Now, according to the official travel.gov Department of State website, you have no problem if the DHS officer in the airport at the port of entry, which is usually the airport or like a port if you're on a cruise or something, accepted you into the United States and gave you a stamp for specific amounts of time. They have the power, they have the discretion to extend your status. Now, many people will say to me, well, I was in the United States for a few months and I decided to stay here and extend my visit. Now, if you just need to extend your tourist visa, you can file for an extension. Usually, if you have a good reason to stay here, for example, you have a medical treatment or a dental procedure that needs time to be completed, or maybe a close relative is ill and you need to be here, to be with them. Hopefully it doesn't happen to you, but in their final months of their life, they're dying and you need to take care of them, or you're the only caretaker and somebody's sick in your close family in the United States, something like that, and you will need medical documents for that family member, or for you if you need the medical treatment, or from your dentist, or whatever it is that you're dealing with. Maybe you're in some court proceeding, like maybe you had a car accident or somebody hit you with a car and you're dealing with that. Those are some of the reasons you can get up to 6 months or even a year of extension of your tourist visa to remain here. Now, you also might consider going to school in the United States. And if you are not from like a European country where you have the visa waiver, that means you have to return home to do the student visa. If you actually have a B1, B2 visa in your passport and you want to be student, you can change, your status from a tourist to a student F1 visa. You have to go to school and the school can sponsor for you to file that change of status from tourist B1, B2 to F1 student. Also, if you're still in status in your B1 or B2 tourist visa, visitor visa, you can file for a work green card. And there's several ways you can do that. I'm not going to get into them into this video, but we'll make more videos about this topic. So basically, to summarize, if the officer of DHS, the Border Patrol officer in the airport, gave you more time than your visa was valid for, maybe extra 5 months, you're fine. You're not violating anything by staying here those 5 months. You can change your status while in the United States to a student or a work visa or something like that. And you can extend your tourist stay by having a good reason to extend it. Now, if you just want more time to travel, maybe you can try, but I've seen in my practice those denied. So you have to have a good reason to stay extra 6 months in the United States. And remember, we are talking about a situation where you are already over the validity of your visa, so beware. Thank you for watching. I hope this video really helps you. Share it if you'd like. Become a subscriber to watch more videos like this, and we'll create more content just like this to make it interesting for you and to explain the most complex immigration concepts in pretty simple language. That's what I do, and I hope you stick around to watch more. Give us a heart to like this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.